Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all the students of physics and zoology department. Hope you will all be okay and in good condition. May Allah save us of us from this fatal virus COVID-19. Welcome to GC University Hyderabad. I am Dr. Mazhar Iqbal Khaskheli, belong to the chemistry department. Organic chemistry for the Department of Zoology and Physics, first semester. The weightage of this subject is 2 credit hours and 100 marks has been assigned to this subject. This slide shows the diagram, isomers and their types. You see, there are main two types of the isomers: structural isomers and stereoisomers. Structural isomers are further divided into 6 types, while the stereoisomers are divided into main 2 types. These all the isomers will be discussed in detail. Isomer is a Greek word. Iso means equal, mers means parts. Isomers have same molecular formulas, but they have different structures. Due to their different structures, they have different physical and chemical properties. Structural isomers are also known as the constitutional isomers. These are further classified into following types: chain isomers, position isomers, functional group isomers, metamers, tautomers, and ring chain isomers. These isomers are described one by one. Chain isomers. These isomers are also called as skeletal isomers. These isomers have different branches of the carbon atoms. In chain isomers, we see that N-butane and isobutane. These are the 2 different compounds. These both compounds have different chemical and physical properties, but they have equal number of the carbon and hydrogen atoms. Position isomer. In these isomers they have same functional group, but the attachment of the functional group at the different carbon atoms. Here is an example: propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol. These are the 2 different compounds that have different physical and chemical properties. The third type of the structural isomers is functional group isomers. These isomers have same molecular formula but different functional groups. Due to the different functional groups, they have different physical and chemical properties. For example, N-butyl alcohol and diethyl ether. These are the 2 different compounds, but these compounds contain the same number of the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen atoms. The other example for the functional group isomers is butanoic acid and butanol. These are also the 2 different compounds. Metamers is the 4th type of the structural isomers. These isomers are formed when divalent atom like oxygen or sulfur is attached to the different alkyl groups. These isomers have the same functional groups. For example, diethyl ether and methyl and propyl ether. And these are the 2 different compounds and have the different physical as well as chemical properties. Tautomers. These are the 2 isomers which are rapidly equilibrium with each other. And tautomers have different positions of the protons and electrons. These are found by the intermolecular transfers of the proton. The carbon skeleton of the compound is unchained. This slide shows the example for the tautomers. This slide contains 2 examples for the tautomers. First one is butane 2-on, but-2-ene 2-ol. These 2 compounds are rapidly interchangeable. And second example, neutral amino acid and deuteron. These are the 2 interchangeable isomers. These 2 isomers belongs to the tautomers and these isomers are rapidly in equilibrium with each other. Ring chain isomers. In this type, one isomer has open chain while the second one has a closed chain. In these isomers, different number of the pi bonds. And the given example is propene, and second one is cyclopropane. In both isomers, there is a difference of 1 pi bond. Stereoisomers. These isomers are formed by the different orientations of the atoms or group of atoms in three-dimensional space. Geometrical isomers are also known as the cis-trans isomers. In these isomers, two same groups, if are on the same side of the two adjacent carbon atoms, are known as the cis isomers, while those compounds in which two same groups on the opposite side of the two adjacent carbon atoms are known as the trans isomers. Here is a given example of the cis 2-butene and trans 2-butene. Second type of stereoisomer is optical isomers. Optical isomers are also called the enantiomers. These isomers have non-superimposable mirror images. They have the same number and kinds of the atoms. Also, they have same number of the bonds as well. These isomers are further divided into two types on the basis of rotation of the plane polarized light. Those optical isomers which rotate the plane polarized light to the right are known as the dextrorotatory isomers, whereas those isomers which rotate the plane polarized light to the left are known as the levorotatory isomers. This slide shows the examples for the optical isomers. This slides contain the plus butane 2-ol and minus butane 2-ol. The plus butane 2-ol is mirror image of the minus butane 2-ol. These two isomers are non-superimposable mirror images. Plus sign containing butane 2-ol is dextrorotatory, while the negative sign containing butane 2-ol is levorotatory. Same way, the other examples are dextrorotatory glucose and levorotatory glucose. So, in this way, the example for the optical isomers like dextrorotatory fructose and levorotatory fructose can be given for the optical isomers.